What's up, everybody? This is Cheddar Chaz, and today we're talking about exporting our videos out of Premiere and getting them on the internet. This is the final Premiere tutorial for all the beginning things that I'm going to be telling you guys. So I will catch you guys after the intro. Alright, so we are hopping right into this. I've got the video that I've used in the Premiere tutorial number 5, and what I want to do to export this video is to go all the way up to File, and then when I go up to File, we're going to go all the way down to Export, go over to Media, click Media, and from there we are going to have a little menu pop up. Boom. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is go to Format and make sure that that is H.264. Click that and then you'll be set from there. Go down to this link where it says output name. You can name your video. I will name this Pt.6. All right, that'll be fine. All right, you can pick where you want it to save at. I have it saved in the Cheddar Chaz folder. Boom. And oh yeah, make sure that it says MP4 as well. That'll be for the H.264 and that should be okay. And then click save. Boom. It'll say Premiere 6, MP4, and it'll save to the folder that you want it to save to. So you'll be able to find it super easy, super quick. All right, so from there you'll have the summary, which will give you all the information. You can check and double check everything to make sure it's cool. If you go down here to basic video settings, you'll see that it says 1920 by 1080. That'll be complete HD. I want to switch this video from 60 frames down to 24 frames. So that's how you would change the frame rate. If you need to change the frame rate for your videos, because sometimes you'll need to do that. If you want to keep it at 60, you can keep it at 60. It's your preference, whatever you need to have the frame rates for. So after that, then you are pretty much set. All this other stuff is super duper advanced stuff that I don't even understand sometimes. I haven't got there yet. But just with this information alone, that's all you really need to export. All you have to do now is just go down here, click export, and then you wait for it to export. Once you get the video to your saved file, all you have to do is take that file and then drag it into your Google Docs. From there, you can download it straight to your phone if you have an Android, and then you can post it onto whatever you need to post it to, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. It'll be downloaded right into your gallery, and you'll be able to use it from there. If you have an iPhone, it's gonna be a little bit more difficult. The only way that I know that you can get your files from Premiere to your iPhone is to airdrop it if you have an iMac or a MacBook Pro or any type of Apple product, to where you'll be able to airdrop that to your phone. If you're going from a PC to an iPhone, I don't know. You'll have to look online. It's really, really difficult, like I said. But those are the only ways I know to do it for an iPhone. So that's it for this Premiere tutorial. You guys have made it through all the basic beginning things that I can teach you guys to go out there and explore Premiere and, you know, get all your videos and stuff together. I sincerely hope that it helps all you guys out. That's all I'm here for, is help you guys make your videos better. Drop a like if this video has helped you out, and subscribe for more content, because I got them coming. I got them coming every week to help you guys make better videos. So it's Cheddar Chaz. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.
They start out eager, intellectually wide-eyed, asking extremely clever